Hey, curious minds! Welcome to World in a Spotlight, where we challenge your brain with tricky riddles. Ready for today's mind bender? Let's go! Riddle time, part 1. Can you solve this tricky riddle? How do you put an elephant inside the refrigerator? Answer. Open the refrigerator. Put the elephant inside. And close the door. Simple, right? Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that follow button for more fun riddles from World in a Spotlight. See you in the next one.